Have you ever wondered what makes up the human body? Well, at the most basic level, it's all about cells. These tiny structures, invisible to the naked eye, are the building blocks of life. They come in various shapes and sizes, but they all share common features and components. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of human cells. The outermost layer of a cell is the cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane. Think of it as the cell's security system. It's a semi-permeable barrier that separates the cell's internal environment from the outside world. By regulating the passage of substances in and out of the cell, it ensures that everything inside the cell stays balanced and functioning properly. Inside this protective envelope, you'll find a gel-like substance known as the cytoplasm. This is where the magic happens. The cytoplasm is home to various organelles, tiny structures that each serve a specific function, much like the organs in our bodies. Among these organelles is the nucleus, the control center of the cell. The nucleus houses DNA, the genetic blueprint that directs all cellular activities. It's responsible for regulating gene expression and controls the synthesis of proteins and other molecules essential for cell function and reproduction. Next up, meet the mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. These double-membraned organelles generate energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, through a process called cellular respiration. They even have their own DNA and are involved in various metabolic pathways. Then there's the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, a network of membranes within the cytoplasm. The ER is a multitasker. It's involved in protein synthesis, lipid metabolism, and calcium storage. There are two types of ER, the rough ER, which is studded with ribosomes and synthesizes proteins, and the smooth ER, which is involved in lipid synthesis and detoxification. The Golgi apparatus is another key player in the cell. This organelle processes, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids synthesized in the cell. Imagine it as the cell's postal service, ensuring that all cellular products are correctly packaged and delivered to their destinations. And lastly, there are the ribosomes. These tiny structures are the protein factories of the cell. They read the genetic information encoded in messenger RNA and catalyze the assembly of amino acids into proteins. So there you have it. The cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and ribosomes, each with its unique role, yet working together to keep the cell, and ultimately the human body, functioning as it should. Despite the diversity of cells in the human body, these fundamental components are shared, reflecting the underlying unity of life. And remember, every part of you, from your skin to your heart to your brain, began as a single microscopic cell. Now, isn't that something to marvel at?